Today, I am making something that brings back memories for me, and it may bring back memories for you as well. I'm making Jamaican rum and raisins ice cream, but with a twist, with a Jamaican Chef Huie style plant based twist. Now, growing up in Jamaica, rum and raisin ice cream was a staple. You could find it in the shop, in the supermarket, and it was one of those flavors many of us look forward to. And for me personally, it was always a favorite. But somewhere along the way, it feels like it became harder to find. I honestly have not seen it in many Jamaican stores in recent years. And that got me thinking, why not bring it back into our own kitchen? So today, I am going to show you how to make rich, creamy, 100% vegan Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream right at home in your home kitchen. I am using plant-based milk, warm Jamaican spices, rum-soaked raisin, and even Irish mash for a natural thickness, nutrition, and that smooth Caribbean texture that you're accustomed to. No dairy, no artificial ingredient, just authentic Jamaican flavors with a healthier Chef Huey touch. If you grow up loving rum and raisin ice cream like I did, this one is going to bring back memories for you. And if you have never had it before, trust me, you are going to love it. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome back again to Chef Hugh's Culinary Television, where I bring you plant based dishes inspired by the rich flavors of Jamaica, the wider Caribbean, and international cuisine. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make authentic, traditional Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream. This recipe is 100% plant based and it is 100% authentic Jamaican cuisine. Now, guys, let's get into the recipe. So, what I got here is a cup of rum soaked raisin. It's been soaking for the last 4 hours, so it's nice and soft and it's absorb all that rum, so you know it's nice and tasty. Here I have Irish mash, aka sea moss. It also has been soaking for 4 hours. I want it to become soft. I'm going to boil it and I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to add it to the ice cream. It's going to help to make the ice cream thick, creamy, and it does add additional nutrients. We also have sweetened coconut condensed milk. We have nutmeg, cinnamon, and we have a little bit of vanilla. Coconut, 2 cups of coconut milk, and I have almond milk. So stay with me, guys. Let's move right into the recipe. I'm gonna add my coconut milk. It's 1 cup. I'm gonna add a second cup. Cup of almond milk. Another cup of almond milk. Now I'm gonna put my Irish mush. It's nice and soft. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling up, I'm gonna blend it out, make it really smooth. I have the Irish mush in the back over there. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, soften it up, blend it out, and add it to the milk. What I have here is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm gonna add a half a cup of water to it. I'm gonna mix the cornstarch into a slurry, and once this milk comes to a boil, I will add it to the milk. So now that you can see that it's boiling, guys, what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm gonna add my coconut condensed milk. And you want to stir it to make sure that that milk is not sitting on the bottom of the pan. That's gonna provide your sweetness. You can use any type of sweetener you want. Now I will add cinnamon, nutmeg, and my vanilla. The last thing we will add is the rum-soaked raisin. We will add that after we cool the mixture down. We're gonna bring the temperature down, let it cold, and then we're gonna add the rum and raisin, and we're gonna make it nice and creamy. What we got here, guys, is our Irish mash. You can see that it's just boiling, so at this point it's nice and tender and soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it out really smooth and add it to the mixture. So this is the base for the ice cream, guys. This is the base. All of our ingredients are in, with the exception of the raisin, which is standing by here, and also the Irish mash. We're gonna tighten up this mixture by adding our slurry, which is our cornstarch mix. You want to make sure that it's bubbling. You don't want it to be boiling away rapidly, but you want it to be hot enough, almost to the boiling point. Then you add your slurry and you stir it gently. You're gonna notice that slowly it's gonna become thicker and thicker. And that's when you know that your ice cream base is coming together. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer and let it chill really good. It's gonna get even thicker once it starts cooling down. And then after that, we're gonna put it into our ice cream maker and churn it for about 45 minutes to make a nice, creamy, thick ice cream. Now guys, you can see that this ice cream, you see how thick it has become. It's become very thick. Okay, so the last step that we're gonna do, guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the mixture and stick it on the back side for just a second. And now we're gonna bring the Irish mash to the center of the attention. Now you have to be careful when you're blending hot liquid. We want to always put safety first. But if you put it right down in there, press it, nothing should be splashing. You want to hold it. Bear in mind it's hot liquid. Otherwise, you could do it, you could make it first, cool it down, and blend it. Getting close. Just a little bit more. And just like that, the Irish mash is nice and smooth. I am going to add the Irish mash to the rest of the mixture. So now, what I am going to do is pour this out into my pan here. The machine. So you want to cool your mixture down, and then you're going to add it to your ice cream maker. So So here we are, the Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream, Chef Huie style, 100% plant-based. After about 2.5, almost 3 hours, the ice cream mixture is cold, it's thick, and it's creamy. Here I have my ice cream maker. It's powered on and it's ready to go. Now, I am aware that not everyone have an ice cream maker like mine. However, you can find small ice cream makers at your department store. Depends on where you are. So whichever one you buy doesn't matter. Um, what does matter is the mixture here. This is where your nutrients and your tastiness are. And right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the mixture in my ice cream maker. My ice cream maker have a bowl. My ice cream maker have this nice, this 2-quart bowl. I have the mixer. This is gonna churn the ice cream, and I have 2 utensils here. This is a scoop, and this is what I'm gonna use to scrape the sides down. So here we go. What we are going to do, we're going to pour the mixture in the bowl. I already have the raisins soaking in the water, but I'm gonna go ahead and have just a tablespoon, just a little bit, to the ice cream for a true rum and raisin flavor. And I am going to put my lid on, press my start button, and this will set for 60 minutes. It may be done a little bit before since the ice cream mixture is so cool. And there we go. On the home stretch with this nutritious and delicious Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream. But before we get to all of that, we still have a little bit of work to do, guys, because the only ingredient that left to go inside this ice cream mixture, as it on the home stretch, is the raisins sitting in some rum. So what I will do at this time, I'll open my window and I will pour off the liquid. It's the rum liquid. I'll pour off as much as I can in the ice cream. And what I will do, I will slowly add my raisins. Why am I adding the raisins at such a late stage when all the other ingredients has been added earlier? That's because I don't want the raisins to sink to the bottom. I want them to float. I want them to be in all of the ice cream. And know that the ice cream is almost formed. It's nice and thick. It's the perfect time to add it. And they will slowly, some will go to the bottom, some will stay in the middle, and of course, some will stay on the top. So there you go. Okay, guys, so the ice cream is just about ready. So you can see it's nice and thick, it's frozen, and you can bet with this taste. 3 nice scoops of ice cream. So, so we got some berries, blackberries, blueberries. Here we go, guys. This is our Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream with black and blueberries. And just like that, a rich, creamy bowl rum and raisin ice cream. made right in your own kitchen. Smooth, nostalgic, and packed with the authentic Jamaican taste many of us grew up loving. For me, this recipe brings up memory. Growing up in Jamaica, rum and raisin ice cream was more than just a dessert. It was part of the culture, a flavor many of us look forward to, share with family, and enjoy on a warm island day. And today, I brought it back, Chef Huie style. 100% plant based, dairy free, made with real ingredients, warm spices, rum soaked raisins, Irish mash with that rich, creamy finish. It's proof that traditional flavors and healthier cooking can absolutely live in the same bowl. If this recipe brought back memories for you, or if this is the first time trying the Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to Chef Huie's Culinary Television for more authentic Jamaican recipes, plant-based Caribbean cooking, nutritional inspiration, and recipes rooted in tradition. And remember, we are not just cooking food. We are preserving culture, tradition, flavors, and legacy. Vegetarian by nature, flavored by tradition. Wow, what can be better than fresh berries and a rum and raisin ice cream? Blueberries always a favorite.